Alright, so today we are going to install the hood lift struts for the 2021 RAV4 that we've got. It just comes with the regular little swing down rod, and we want to get rid of that. And this is a kit that we got from Amazon. It's from Labwork. To do this installation, you're going to need a ratchet. I'm going to use a 3/8 ratchet, a 6-inch extension. This one has a wobble end, and a 12mm socket that allows it to move. You can do it without one, but this just makes it a little bit easier. And we'll also be using a 3-inch extension to get a little bit more reach. First part of this install is to slide this clip back. Swing it around and then pull it down. You can install a small bracket on, push it back up into place. And then clip it back in. We'll repeat that for the second one. We're going to be removing that lower hinge bolt in the front. Pop it. Now that that lower bracket is installed, we're going to remove the clip off this upper one, just like did with the lower. Swings around and slides out. Now we're going to remove our upper. To put our bracket up here, and you're going to want to use the center hole, which will put the hood in the exact location that it is with the prop rod. It has a third hole down here. You can probably slide it forward and get the hood to open up more if you want to do that. I'm just going to leave it in the stock location. In.